Hello friends, day 32 and I've reached Chepstow. I'm staying in a hotel tonight because batteries needed charging and I certainly needed a shower. Anyway, today I came along the Wales coast path, which was not as interesting as some of the routes that I've been on recently. The main point of interest today was a ship moored up that looked rather sad, called the Duke of Lancaster. You'll see that shortly. Anyway, that's all from me. See you on the trail. Duke of Lancaster, which the owners seem pretty miffed that they can't use. There's a bit of a story online about it. Take a look. The long path into Chepstow goes on for miles and miles. Had a nice meal at Made in Italy, starting with some very healthy olives and moving on to some slightly less healthy food, but still very tasty.